Good morning everyone! Andito kami ngayon sa aming dragon fruit at kami ay mag-harvest ng yellow dragon fruit. Okay, simulan na natin. There. We don't know how to pick it up, so we just pulled it. We don't know if we're going to pull it or what.
Ay, ayan. Uy, ayan. Ganunin lang pala.
We have lots.
Ay, hinog na talaga siya dahil kasi, say that. Hey, one. And then,
That's one. And there's another one. Two. 3. 4. Oh, be careful, my gosh. It's it's turning and it hurts.
turn. This turn.
Right turn. Oh, it's torn.
Turn around.
Turn.
Oh my God. Ouch!
Be careful.
Gamitan natin ng kasi.
She's going to use cutter. It's not cutter. It's small scissor.
Aray ko.
She kept on saying aray ko because it hurts. There's a lot of nakakatinik.
Ouch.
Ouch.
Ayun, may
It's 4. And the tinik is 4.
Ay, dapat naglagay ka ng
Okay, paano ba ito?
Hinog
Ito pang 5th, pang 5. Ouch, ouch, be careful. Ouch, ouch. It hurts. Kitang-kita ang iyong mga kamay na very gandahers.
Huwag nang tingnan yung mga kamay.
Sorry. Sorry sa aming mga kamay na sobrang gaganda. Careful, be careful with my turn around. Be careful, my gosh. There's a lot of hush. There's a lot of hush.
All over the world tonight. All over the world.
That's 5th. Pang 6th. Ay, sige, bungo-bungo kayo. Mong ulo ni makita. Hanggang palangon sana. O sabanay ko sa kuluhaw. Ay, naka.
Yung side kasi.
Kaya nga side eh. Masaliring po ka.
Pwede ba yung
Oo nga.
Yung
She's nahihirapan. My gosh. 4 minutes na.
kasi nag-ingat lang sa tinik.
Yan. Madami pa. Dito sa kabila. Ay, wait lang. Wait. Mayroon pa doon sa kabila. So, I'm going to pause. Yan. Pang 7. 8. And the last one, pang 9. Yan. Okay, yan na lahat ang aming yellow dragon fruit. Tapos meron kami ditong dalawa din na hinog na, pero later on na namin yan kukuhanin. And there. Yan. Ito din, ang aming dalawa pa. Mayroon.
Itong mga ganito. Saan kaya ito mahinog? Ito?
Mayroon kami dito dragon fruit na kakaiba. My gosh, I don't know if you guys know this one. Look. Look.
Look.
Look. What kind of dragon fruit is that? It's look like lurk. Look.